Stop the rock. Stop the rock. Stop the rock. Stop the rock. Can't stop the rock. You can't stop the rock. Stop the rock. Stop the rock.
I have to introduce our first speaker, Mrs. Binion, in case you don't know her. Thank you.
Well, sadly, I had thought that the day would never come when these Year 12 assemblies wouldn't go ahead. But, you know, unfortunately, the class of 2005 is going to be renowned for being the first Year 12 group to not get their act together. So despite the fact that we've had you know, a general assembly last week, we're going to have a normal-ish type of assembly, and I'd like you to please give your attention to our school captains.
Unfortunately, due to the cancelling of the Year 12 Assembly, we'd like to welcome you to this unorthodox General Assembly. Would you please rise for the official party to enter the stage? Silence, please, guys. Come on.
Official party? Are you there? Official party?
What's going on? Where's the official party, please? Could you all be upstanding quietly? I'll go have a look and see where they are.
While Miss Binion tries to find the official party, we have a short video here from the Year 12s for you guys.
I wanted you had it last time.
I won because I'm so much prettier than you.
Girlfriend, I'm prettier than you.
Hey, where did everybody go?
Stephen, I thought we were friends.
Sorry, Mr. M, you're just in the wrong place at the wrong time.
That always happens to me. Like the time I was struck by lightning.
Wow.
Okay, phase one complete. What do you do now?
What the hell is going on here?
School project?
You two are in serious trouble. Get out! You two are looking for expulsion. What would your parents say? What would Alan say?
Well, I was going to tell him, but then Stephen kind of already tied him up to off his chair and gagged him and stuff, but wait, is that a rhetorical question?
Did the two of you really think you could ruin my assembly?
Step down, Pizza. This assembly's ours.
Not yet, it isn't. Code red, I need back up the hall immediately.
That's all specially trained staff to the front of the hall. Code red, this is not a drill.
back down, you know.
Please, like a bunch of overworked, underpaid, geriatric teachers are going to take on all of us. Bring it on, pizza.
You first.
First wave, teacher's pet. Attack!
Staff, you know what to do.
Jesus Christ!
Right, get it.
Second wave! Nerds, attack! Nerds, attack!
This is ridiculous.
Pathetic's more like it. If this is all you can come up with, I'm not expecting much from your exam results, am I?
Guys, look, clearly we're losing, but we can't give up on each other now. We've come too far, worked too hard, and waited too long for this. Sending off our attack teams isn't doing us much good. So clearly, if we want to win, we've got to work together. It's got to be all of us or none of us. I know in the past some of us haven't really worked together, given our different social status.
I'm sick of them ethics.
Bloody skips.
That's exactly what I'm talking about.
Look, Charlie's right. The only way we're going to get our assembly back and win this war is if we put our prejudice aside and fight, unite together. We have a common enemy and a common goal. Unite or fail. All right, let's show them what the class of 2005 is really made out of.
Hold your ground.
Screw this!
Sexy dancers, some aerobics, just here to have some fun. Where's Jack Wadley? Who wants Jack Wadley? Alright, first up today, I think we're doing some aerobics. We're doing some aerobics? Alright, I hope you all enjoy it. Have a good day.
It's
Yeah, I know, it's just the jacket's strong and it's too scared.
But I'm assuming they're one-size-fits-all jackets. Next up, guys, we have some videos. Crazy Frog and a whole bunch of others, so give it up. Let's go.
What's going on? Just go like this. It's just this really annoying frog, and they just go ding 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 ding.
Right, I think I can manage that. Are you right?
Yep.
Ding 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 da. Ding 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 da.
Ding 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 da.
They got the ding dings.
Ring ding 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 ah.
Enjoy the day. I will go back. I said it's a lot.
Oh, make me over. I'm all I wanna be. A walking study in demonology. Hey, so glad you could make it. Yeah, now you really made it. Hey, so glad you could make it now. Oh, look at my
A scarlet costume ejects from his ring, and in a blur of motion,
School cleaner Bill
becomes
Rocket Man.
world's fastest human, whose speed enables him to vibrate through solid walls in the pursuit of evildoers.
What's happening here? They're all dead.
This looks like a job for Rocket Man.
Something terrible has happened. You have to go find Rocket Man.
Rocket Man. Yes, sir. I need your help.
No.
Rocket Man, there are children on the Oval. I don't know what happened to them.
Small children?
Very well.
Rocket Man, he's going. Look at him. Oh, Rocket Man.
What are we doing? I'm Gary.
Man.
X-ray vision.
No, Gary, no! No, Gary, no!
Burn. Why? The.
something completely different. Here is Rosh and Joel.
What do you want to hear?
Spice Girls.
I want you back. You said I want you back. You said I want you back? What's that?
Excuse this interruption. While the majority of people are concerned about famine and violence on the streets, McKinnon students really don't care. McKinnon students are much more concerned with the rumours that are circulating around our school. Isn't that right, Mel?
Definitely, David. Many may be wondering what teachers these days do in their first half of lunchtime. Over to Zoe and to Neil.
We're here outside staff room 1. Take a look.
Have been circulating about our friendly legal studies teacher, Mr. Glenister, and his interesting past.
Oh, over to Zoe and to Neil. Again, I believe they're at the lecture theatre.
Mel and Dave, Zoe and Tennille reporting here. I think we've got something you need to see.
I'm a man of the law.
Lastly, Assistant Principal Mr. Newton, despite claiming to be environmentally friendly, has been caught on numerous occasions destroying McKinnon's ecological habitat. We have Zoe and Tennille in the field now.
We're live at the Korean Gardens,
where Mr. Newton was last seen.
Hey!
thanks for stopping by.
Right, let's go. You like Ricky Ponting?
Hey! Hey! How beautiful. I'm Ricky Ponting. Hey! We won the cricket last night. Hey! Who cares? Hey! We won the cricket last night.
Wow.
Excited. We're going to interview Mr. Newton. Are we ready? Hey! It's Mr. Newton.
Who the hell is that? That's bloody... It's Ricky Ponting, isn't it?
In a
Ricky,
dress.
you're my star, Ricky. Well done, Ricky.
Oh, no problem. Yeah, no, we did good for Australia last night.
Yeah, good win last night. That's good. Got to beat the rest of the world. Well done.
That's right.
Come on, Aussie, come on, come on. Come on, Aussie, come on.
Help us! How are you? Do you know who I am? No. I'm Ricky Ponting. The cricket captain. Roll mole.
Wrong one.
Roll mole.